Okay, so there's no way that I can make videos about how to simplify every possible derivative once you're done. But this is a kind of simplifying skill that I'm not positive you would recognize. So some of the other ones, when it's a rational expression, I would hope that I know that you've seen it before, even if you definitely need to review. But this one is using the distributive property, so it might be a little different. Anyway, I'll just do it and you'll see. So the derivative here, I'm going to need to use the product rule. So I take the first one times the derivative of this, and I have to use the chain rule for that. So I actually don't have to use the chain rule because it's just a k parameter. So it's 4x minus 4, quantity x minus 4 cubed. I could think about using the chain rule, but the derivative of the inside here would just be 1. So I don't need to multiply by 1. And then I take x minus 4 to the 4th power, and I multiply it by the derivative of x minus 1, which again is just 1. I don't have to write it. Now, from here, as I was saying, to simplify, we would use the distributive property. We would factor out. So notice that this first term here has 3 factors of x minus 4. And this second term here has 4 factors of x minus 4. So between the two terms, this being the first term and this being the second term, their greatest common factor, what they have in common, is that they both have at least 3 factors of x minus 4. I'm going to factor out x minus 4 cubed. In my first term, the red, that means I'm left with 4 times the quantity x minus 1, because all 3 factors of x minus 4 cubed got factored out. And in my second term here, I'm left with the quantity x minus 4 to the 1st power. So I only have 1 factor of x minus 4 left because 3 of them got factored out. From there, I can simplify everything that's in the brackets because now there are no exponents on my quantities here. So this becomes 4x minus 4 plus x minus 4. So if I simplify that even further, I get x minus 4 cubed equals 5x minus 8. So even though we had the answer right here in this step, this is a much more simplified final answer. This is the one that you would find if you were to look up the solution.